I am so excited. I finally took the plunge and got me one of these red light therapy panels, and I am so happy for it. This thing is absolutely amazing. All right, you guys, I have been obsessed with this red light therapy panel, but let's go ahead and take a look at the installation to see how to put the whole thing together. It's gonna come with every single thing that you need for multiple use installation. And so first thing you're gonna do is build the base. So it does have 4 wheels, and each of those 4 wheels are gonna be able to lock, which makes it really nice and strong and sturdy. This red light therapy is very heavy, and so this base is really made perfectly to make sure that it's not gonna tip over for you. This is gonna have a 7 wavelength technology for enhanced light therapy benefits. So it's gonna have the high iridescence, so it's gonna be powerful and also an efficient treatment. And then it's gonna have 300 dual chips, so that way it's gonna be a clinical grade LEDs. And so the last step is actually gonna be taking the panel and attaching it to the stand itself. This is where you wanna make sure you have 2 people to really hold that in place because it is a little bit on the heavy side. But like I said, the stand is gonna be able to withstand this. Once you put it on there, then you're gonna be able to kind of use your hands to be able to rotate it. I tried to actually rotate it beforehand, actually putting this red light therapy panel on, and the cranking system, like I was not actually able to rotate it. But once I put this red light therapy panel on, then it was gonna be able to rotate for me. So you can see that it's on wheels, so it's gonna be able to move around. You have this crank to be able to lower it or to raise it up. And then you're gonna be able to also rotate it this way. You're gonna be able to have it at multiple different angles depending on how you are using the therapy panel. It comes with a remote that you're gonna be able to do everything for the goggle. Everything is gonna be right here as well that you're gonna be able to adjust. So that's gonna be for the blue, the near infrared, and the red. So you can do all of them or you can just do one at a time. This one right here is gonna be able to adjust the timer, and then you have your on and off. Also comes with all the hardware that you're gonna be able to have it that you can hang over a door. So multiple different ways to be able to use this. But I really love this. This is gonna be a nice private that you can do in the comfort of your own home. It's gonna be cost saving and also time saving. So that way you can enjoy the professional grade treatment in the comfort of your home without repeated clinic visits, which is also gonna be heavy on your pocketbook.